My sister is remodeling a 1970s trailer house, and she pulled these old metal bifold doors out. I'm going to use them for tables in the greenhouse. So my wash table with the sink that I had outside for using to rinse my veggies off, it started rotting and the wood up top was falling apart, and I needed to rebuild it. And I thought, I think that looks like it's just the right size. If I chop the rotten parts off, it's just perfect for in the greenhouse. Fits those bifold doors just perfectly. Check that out. You know, on a frugal homestead, we don't throw nothing away. Ah, nice. It's also just tall enough for those compressed bags of soil to slide up underneath there out of the way. All right, well, I guess that's got it. I got them a little too wide because I wasn't measuring. I was just using, those were the boards that were between the old table at the top that were still good, but apparently, I don't know, it made a big difference, and it's whatever. It works great. So, did that. I've got that other door over there on the back. I'll probably put some supports on the ends, but not bad for free 90 free.